Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install the Robinhood app. Robinhood is a popular investment and trading platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options and cryptocurrencies directly from your phone. And it's known for commission-free trades and a simple beginner-friendly interface. With Robinhood, you can manage your investments, track the stock market and grow your portfolio all in one app. And if you're using Android, you can open the Google Play Store. For iPhone, you need to go to the Apple Store. Over here on the bottom, we could see there's a search bar. Select the search bar and type down Robinhood app, and on the bottom right, tap on the search icon again. Over here, you need to look for a feather icon developed by Robinhood Markets. Over here, we could see this ensures you're downloading the official app safely. Tap on the Robinhood wallet, and over here you need to select get and you need to double click to install it, and after that the app will download and install automatically. And once the installation is complete, you need to tap open to launch the app and begin the setup process. And over here, when you open Robinhood, you need to enter your email and phone number, then create a strong password. You'll need to verify your identity with personal details and link a bank account to fund your trades. Robinhood may ask for additional verification to secure your account, so follow all the prompts carefully. And that is it. Your Robinhood app is now ready to use. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. And now you can explore investing, track your portfolio and trade confidently, and happy investing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're still having trouble to download your Robinhood app, comment down below and we will reach out to you.